everyone, welcome to Storytime. Today we're going to read Dog's Colorful Day, written and illustrated by Emma Dodd. Once upon a time, there was a dog called Dog. He was white with one black spot on his left ear. At breakfast time, Dog sat under the table. Splat! A dollop of red jam landed on his back. Now Dog has 2 spots. After breakfast, Dog went to the park. He ran past the man painting the front door. Splish! His tail dipped into the blue paint. Now Dog has 3 spots. In the park, Dog rolled on the grass. Squash! The grass left a green stain on his white coat. Now Dog has 4 spots. Dog saw a little boy eating chocolate. Scrummy! The boy gave the dog a chocolatey pat. Now Dog has 5 spots. A bee buzzed up to see what was going on. Swish! The bee dropped yellow pollen dust as it flew by. Now Dog has 6 spots. Dog trotted on through the park. Splosh! A drop of pink ice cream landed on his right ear. Now Dog has 7 spots. Time to go home. A ball bounced in a puddle. A blob of gray mud stuck to Dog. Now Dog has 8 spots. In front of the gate, Dog trod on a carton of orange juice. Squish! A patch of orange appeared on his leg. Now Dog has 9 spots. Dog arrived home. He ran to play with Vicky. Spludge! Purple ink from Vicky's pen went on Dog's head. Now Dog has 10 spots. Vicky looked down at Dog and she counted his colorful spots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Vicky looked more closely. Dog had a red spot of jam, a blue spot of paint, a green stain of grass, a brown smear of chocolate, a yellow patch of pollen, a pink dollop of ice cream, a gray smudge of mud, an orange splash of juice, a purple ink mark, and of course, the black spot on his left ear. You need a bath, Dog. Let's give him a bath. There we go. There. When Dog went to bed, he had 1 black spot on his left ear. What a colorful day, Dog. The end. Thank you everyone for joining me for Storytime. See you again soon.